When a company builds a big ad campaign around its foot-long sandwiches, how much are the customers damaged if their sub comes up in short? Let's bring in our legal guys. Avery Friedman, a civil rights attorney and law professor, is in Cleveland. And Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor, joins us from Miami this week. Let's start with the class action lawsuits being filed against the Subway restaurant chain. This is an iReport photo of one of many that have turned up around the world and the internet, showing Subway sandwiches that don't measure up to the company's foot-long claim. Subway won't comment on pending legal action, but did release this statement. For 47 years, customer satisfaction has been our top priority. We regret any instance where we did not fully deliver on our promise to customers. Richard, how big a deal is this supersized? What is it?
Does size really matter? I mean, does it really matter? Does that half an inch or an inch really
Well, apparently it matters to somebody. Attorneys out there.
Matters to somebody, that's right.
It seems to matter. That 12-inch, that foot-long, all those commercials with the song, well, they're not a foot long. They're 11 inches long or 11 and a half inches long. And it's not like McDonald's, who says, look, I got a quarter pounder. It's pre-cooked at a quarter pound. When you get it, it's less. Here, they don't say that, Subway. So this is a fraudulent misrepresentation by Subway. Now, the question is, what are the damages? Are there any damages here? Are people really damaged getting shortchanged in half an inch or an inch? The attorneys for the plaintiff's suit here says, yes, we paid for a full foot long and we didn't get it. So the courts, juries will have to determine this in the end. I don't think that size is going to matter that much.
Avery, I've brought our yardstick and a 12-inch Subway sandwich.
There we go.
And guess what?
Here
it
we
is
go.
exactly,
Let's see it.
exactly on the nose, 12 inches. Amazing.
Look at that. All right.
They fixed the problem already.
Well, that's the end of the lawsuit, Miguel. I guess that wraps it up.
But is there anything that customers will get from this thing?
I don't think so, Miguel. Nothing. And Avery is right. And Subway has issued a statement saying, look, this is an ad campaign. It's merely descriptive in nature. It's not meant for you to take a ruler out and measure 12 inches. But let's be real, and law is supposed to act in reality.
Who runs around with a ruler anyhow?
Yeah, well, Miguel has one.
Apparently
so
I do.
Well, I'm not going to answer that question.